Hi. Yes.
Hi.
Nails are chipped, my ends are split. I flex my fancy bag, but we all know it's counterfeit. These jeans are thrift, my radish. I like my wine cheap, as we all know it does the.
So guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, we just arrived the new house, okay? And I decided to do a quick house tour before we start unpacking, because guys, I'm so freaking tired. This building is a shortlet and we got it from Sweetcomb. If you have not watched my previous video where I talked about how you can get accommodation before you arrive the UK, you guys, you need to check that video because it is one of the websites I mentioned in that video. Guys, these people are very reliable. We have not come, despite the fact that it's close to where we are living before. We didn't even come here until today that we are meant to check in. Okay, the check-in says 4 p.m, but we checked in around past 10 because the key are there in the key safe. So there's nobody here to tell us, oh, it's not yet 4 and all that blah blah blah. Hell no. We just came in, followed the instructions on the PDF file they sent for us how to get the key. We followed the instruction, we picked the key, and here we are inside. It's currently 11:50 right now that I'm making this video. Positivity gang. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the red button and be a part of my amazing family, okay? If you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys for showing love to me all the time. I really appreciate. So guys, let's go right into this house tour. Let's. Hi, yes, come in. The entrance door to this apartment. Let me show you guys what the outside looks like. So this is the hallway. That's for our neighbor. So guys, once you walk through that staircase, okay, you come up. On coming up, you will see this beautiful door, okay, and this hallway is leading upstairs. So you come in, you will see this hallway right here, okay, and this is our door. So guys, on entering the apartment proper now, look at that guys, and then these beautiful paintings on the wall. Like the builders of this house, the person that's in charge of the interior decor is something, I think the person like ancient things, and I don't know how to put it, but the decor is quite lovely. So that's the hallway that leads to the rooms, okay, and this beautiful mirror here where you can just, you know. So on entering the apartment, the first door by your left is the toilet, the bathroom. So you guys see the amazing bathroom we have got here, okay. So coming in, you can see the heater, and we have the toilet, the wash hand basin, and this beautiful bathtub guys, this beautiful bathtub, and there's another small heater by the side, right? Then we have this little mirror here, okay. Then we have another beautiful mirror here. You guys, the bedroom is giving already. The bedroom is giving everything giveable. So that's what is happening there. The flush the toilet from there, right? So leaving the bedroom now, I am back to this hallway again, okay. So if I go this way, here is the living area, you guys, and a dining. Let me look at the dining area first. So you can look at the decors around this dining area. Let me on the lighting. All I know is that the house have got amazing lightings, okay. So see another wall decor. The dining area is quite huge. Look at another decor here behind the entrance door, Okay guys, so this is basically what they left this welcome hamper for us. Okay, here we have some biscuits, some chocolates, and all that good stuff in here. Now leaving the dining, here is the living area, guys. Can you guys see that? Can you see our beautiful living area? And there is this beautiful wall deco on the this is an artwork. I don't know if this is the owner of the house, I don't just know, but it's beautiful. Okay, so guys, coming closer, you can see the beautiful leather seats here. Okay, it's a beautiful leather seat. Now the next thing is the marina, guys. Oh, this is the sweetest part of this building. Okay, you can see people walking around and all that. Guys, look at that view. So let's go outside the marina and see what we got there. So guys, I got to open the door. Guys, the code in this marine area is something else. The code here is times 20. So we've got this wonderful sit out here for us to sit down and look around the property. Okay, guys, take a look at that. Can you guys see that view? That's the ground floor. Can you guys see that view? Guys, this view is everything. Okay, now we are just in front of the marina. That's the marina. That's our sit out with a table. That's the entrance door to the building. So guys, from there you come back into the house proper. So let me show you guys. Mona, come in. So guys, the kitchen have got an amazing lighting. So this is what the kitchen looks like. That 2 bags are for us. That's our foodstuff bag. Guys, see what the kitchen looks like. It's not too big, but it's so beautiful with amazing lightnings, guys. I just love those lightnings there. Okay, so guys, here we have a storage in here, right? Then in here we have our glass cups, right? So that's a toaster. Guys, this was on the center table in the living area, but I moved it immediately we came in because of the boys. We have an amazing, I love this cookware. Okay, look at the cookware. Then there is a tissue, we met it here, the knife stand and shopping boards. You can see how they are well arranged with an organizer. Okay, then here is the oven, guys. That's the oven, you guys. Okay, so looking down, there are more storage. This is the cooking pots and frying pans. Everything is right there. And this is the cooking utensils, you guys. Then there is another storage up here. Okay, this refrigerator. There you go, guys. And then the deep freezer is down. Okay, so that's it. Then we have this amazing wall deco here showing what is happening in the marina. This is exactly the view I showed you guys outside. They have the deco here. Then turning this way is a view of the marina again via the kitchen window. We have a portable washing machine here, guys, right? This microwave. We've got the electric kettle, and then we've got a sink for washing our plates. you guys, this plate rack. So guys, this is basically what is happening in here. The drawer, guys, that is the bin. The bin is attached to the drawer just like that, okay? And then the washing materials for washing and cleaning is down here, back here. Then opening the storage, we have our cutleries, coming down further, and cleaning tools, guys. Then open the next storage. Then coming here, we have this food and all that good stuff. Here is the boiler, guys. So this is where the heating is all controlled and all that. Everything happens here. And we have this little thing here. Coming out of the kitchen, we are back to the living area. So let me take you guys further. So we are back to this past corridor again. There is this small door in front of this place. When I opened it, is the towels, the bed sheets, and a little hanger here, and the hoover, the vacuum cleaner. There is another door right here that looks like a wardrobe. When I open that, you guys, we still have a lot of things here, guys. Look at that, you guys. Okay, then here we have for the cleaner, right? Yeah, bed linens and stuff here. Then we have books for lovers of books. If you want to read, you can go ahead and read. Okay, down here we have the iron, we have the sockets. Everything you need is here, you guys. Cleaning equipment. You can see more cleaning tools. This accommodation is given, like everything you need for a perfect holiday is here. So guys, looking forward to the kids room. Yeah, it's not quite big, but it's still nice. So forget all this. These are our bags. Coming in, you will see this beautiful drawer. Let me go back and get the drawer. Can you see that long drawer? So where you can arrange some things there. Okay, coming in. This is the boy's bed, and this is the door. Behind the door there is this glass, this mirror, and it's a wardrobe. Let me show you guys. Behind the door is a mini wardrobe for the clothes. Okay, a mini wardrobe for their clothes. Alright, bed now is detachable. Okay. So this is for my second. There is a detachable bed for my second baby. So guys, this is a pullover bed. Okay, so Muna is there and Odogu is down here. So we're gonna put some bed sheet on Odogu's bed. Guys, this is so lovely and I am loving this. You roll this one back. So you guys, I think I love this feature of this bedroom. Okay, you guys saw what just happened now. Once they wake up, you can just roll back the bed. Guys, once you leave the boys' room, you come to the next door, and that is the master's bedroom. So one thing I like about this room is that it is very spacious, guys. There is this beautiful mirror in the master's bedroom, guys. The room have got this beautiful wardrobe. Okay, so let's open it. It have got this amazing wardrobe. In there you can see the ironing board. There is, if you want to fix anything. What's this? Okay, this is extra seat. Maybe you want to sit out. Then this is a laundry box to put our laundries, our dirty clothes. Then coming in, you can see the big room. Let me go back and get the room. Let me on the lights. Okay, so guys, I just put on the lights now. You can see how big the room is. Okay, then we have these two side stools and a lamp. We have this portable bed, right? I love it, you guys. Then we have this amazing wall decor here. We have this stool here, this storage here with this mini TV. Then this is a window to see what is going on. Guys, look at my beautiful view. Look at that, you guys. Oh my god, my husband said he loved this house. Angle, can you see that, guys? This is basically what is happening in our master's bedroom. We are loving this space. Okay, it's a beautiful space to behold. So you guys, that's all for this house tour. I have practically shown you guys everywhere in this house. Guys, look at the background. Is it not giving? It is giving everything giveable. So you guys, the cost of this house is £444 per week. So every 7 days is £444, right? Guys, this is not bad, okay? Then for the 2 weeks we booked, that is 14 nights, that is going to run from today, the 1st of December 2022 to the 15th of December 2022, we paid £888. Our money is talking. Guys, this UK people wants to finish our money, but we move, our money cannot finish. It is not going anywhere. So you guys, we paid £888 for the 2 weeks, okay? And then we just love classy things. That's just one thing about myself and my husband. You don't just want to stay anyhow place, okay? And this right here is the definition of class, okay? You know what it means to be in front of, to live in the marine. To live in the marine, that's it. It comes with too much money. So before you shout, it's too much. Guys, this is the marina area. It's costly to live in water, okay? And we just want to have that feeling. We want to just have that experience. And that's why we choose this beautiful accommodation from Sweetcomb. Guys, they are not sponsoring this video, but I'm just telling you guys what worked for us, right? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, right? If you do, hit the like button down below and do what? And subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and join this family. Share this video. In here, I am Mama Positivity, for crying out loud. We share a lot of positivity in here. Trust me, you will not regret being part of my amazing family, okay? So guys, thank you for watching. I hope this suits you well. I will hopefully see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys, and for now, bye.